Ever feel like Microsoft has all the power in your deal? Here's the truth. They don't. If you manufacture leverage, that's my number one tip for negotiating with Microsoft. Microsoft knows they're everywhere. Windows, Office, Azure. They'll act like you've got no choice. Wrong. You've always got moves. Broaden the scope. Don't just renew Office 365. Tie in your next Azure project or Dynamics rollout. Suddenly the stakes are bigger, and so is your leverage. Bring in your execs. When your CFO or CEO shows up on the call, Microsoft brings theirs, and guess what? Executives unlock discounts your rep can't approve. And the killer move? Show them you have Plan B. Float an RFP to Google or AWS. Run a small pilot elsewhere. Even hint at delaying upgrades. Credible alternatives make Microsoft nervous, and nervous Microsoft makes better offers. Bottom line, leverage is power. Options are leverage. Never act like a captive customer. Make Microsoft earn your business. Follow me for more insider tips on winning your software negotiations.